At first glance, you notice the size, but the real story is not just about big muscles, it's about years of discipline. Every workout, every meal, and every sacrifice played a role in building this powerful physique. Success in fitness does not happen overnight. It takes consistency, patience, and the midnight to keep going even when motivation disappears. A strong body is built through thousands of small decisions made every single day. Rest, nutrition, and hard work all come together, create lasting results. Thanks for keep watching Fitness Inspiration Man. Okay, take care and bye bye.